Yes, sir.
Hi Mareshmi, how are you?
Yes, sir, I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, ma. Thanks for asking and congratulations for getting a job in Deutsche Bank. This is a German bank with 16.2 LPA, right?
Yes, sir.
Almost 250 plus hike.
Yes, sir. From the my previous package, it is almost like 85% hike, sir.
85 or 250%.
From the last one, it is like 85%, sir.
Okay, from the last it is like 85%. Okay,
Yes.
fantastic. And it's like 16.2 LPA. It's a wonderful package. And I know your dream is to get a job in product-based company, and this is also a good one.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, I know how hard work you have done. If people want to know, they can check in LinkedIn what she has done. And now, how you come to know Tungabhadra Networks? Just introduce yourself and what is your experience and what you learn here, how you tried, what are the challenges you face in IT, and it should be inspirable to a lot of women. Sama, they are also facing a lot of issues like you, like night
Yes.
shifts and all. Now this can be helpful for them, especially women. Yeah, please go
Yes.
ahead, ma. Now this is your session.
Yes, sir. Thank you for this opportunity, sir. First, when I was trying to, when I was trying to switch my job to the other company, I was uh, I was decided that I wanted to move further in the networking field only. So when I was just thinking of that, I got one of the video of yours, sir, of the ping concept, which explain you was explaining ping concept. So I was very it was very interesting session. You explained everything in the packet level, so that made me very interesting. So I went and to the YouTube channel of the Tungabhadra Networks, and I searched for all the videos. When I searched for all the videos, it was very good content, which is mainly related to the networking concepts. So I found very interesting, and I went through all the videos. That's how I got to know about TBN. And after that, I connected with the TBN team, and I enrolled myself for the CCNA first. So when I was from the July 21st batch, so I was very excited for the classes. Every day I was waiting for, literally I was waiting for 7 o'clock, because your sessions were very engaging and very interesting. Like you used to explain with a what you used to explain theoretically, and next you used to show us practically as well, using the packet. Everything you used to explain us, that was very interesting session. So after the completion of the class, I was very interested, and I used to perform the labs soon after the classes. So in our batch, we were like, I found very passionate batchmates in my batch as well. So in my batch there was Divya and all. I We all used to discuss about all the labs, and we used to post all the labs
Yeah,
in the group soon after the classes. So that was very that gave us so much confidence, so we can do all the labs. And after doing labs only, I used to understand very much, doing myself and understanding where I'm doing wrong or something. Whenever I was stuck, then I again used to watch the recorded session, and I again used to find what was the mistake I was done. And I also used to reach out to the support team, TBN support team. They used to always 24/7, they used to always help me. So they used to, whenever I had doubts, they used to clarify me very much. And I also got my first certification, that is Juniper
yeah.
certificate.
That was like, yeah. Once you have passed the Juniper Global certification, right? I know you were so happy. I saw I saw it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I saw
that
your
was my
message.
first certification of life, and I was like very happy. uh, like uh,
You have written by your own, right?
Yes, those classes gave by you, like they were like very helpful for me. I used to make all the points, and I used to see. I used to practice that one. There was one after the exam. There was one practice session in that training videos. So
Yeah.
I used to always practice those questions. So I used to get an idea, so that it will be very helpful for the main exam. So hopefully, yeah, I put my hard work over there, and I successfully cleared that
Yeah.
certification.
How much score you got, ma?
It was 80 to 82%,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was so happy. Uh, After getting that certification, it was like it boosted me to the another level.
Yeah.
When I posted that certification in the LinkedIn, I got so many appreciations, and that boosted my confidence very well. After that, being experienced, I have like 5 years of experience. I again uh, enrolled for CCNP, which is very important for the BGP classes and all. In the CCNP also, like very good sessions. It was all very interesting and engaging sessions. I used to wait for like 7 o'clock when 7 o'clock will come. Whenever you used to tell like there is some today classes won't happen like that, I used to be very disappointed. Like today, I used to had one good session. I missed it like that. I
Yeah.
was and I was again seeing the recorded sessions, and I used to practice that one. That helped me very much, and I used to post everything in LinkedIn, so that
Yeah.
also helped me very lot. That gave me so many good connections in the LinkedIn, and I used to get opportunities in the LinkedIn as well. uh, in the CCNP classes, the BGP concepts, the knowledge you have is like next level, sir. uh, the way you explain everything at the packet level, we all used to understand each and everything. If we get any doubts also, you will be able to reach we will be able to reach you at any time. You will respond to us, and we will clarify all the doubts. That is one of the very good things, sir. Yeah, in the BGP classes, I loved all the concepts, and then I was waiting like next you now you announced the SD-WAN and all the other
Yeah.
classes. I'm very excited for that also. Hopefully, I will be able to join that soon. Yeah, overall, the experience you have, the efforts you are putting to uh, support all the other students who are trying to further expand in the networking field, that is really great, sir. uh, like we are truly thankful. I am truly thankful and grateful that I got an opportunity, and I got a mentor and teacher like you. Seriously, your level of knowledge is next level, and I'm grateful that I got some knowledge from you, sir.
Thank you, ma. And this is not temporary, and learning as an engineer, we have to learn always and keep connected with us. And after training, right, you applied, we prepared your resume, and we you applied so many interviews, right? So many companies, and you cleared Palk networks and others. Okay, so let's discuss about only this Darshan Bank. How many rounds they scheduled?
It was like two rounds, sir. First round,
Okay,
it was a virtual round,
okay,
completely technical round.
okay,
And the second one was like a face-to-face round. It was like a managerial round. In the first round, it was completely technical, and they asked me questions like from the basics, like what is the difference between TCP/IP OSI model, what happens in the transport layer,
mm,
and then they entered into the what are the routing protocols you are aware of. That OSPF, in OSPF they all asked all about the adjacency process, how what happens in the stubby area, not so stubby area, that and all they have asked. And in the BGP, coming to the BGP, they have asked like again the OSPF model, route reflectors, they have covered that route reflectors. And then about scenario based questions also they have covered, like they gave few routers and switches. They asked what it happens when there is a DR, BDR and DR others. When you give this command, what is the output you will see. Those kind of scenario based
so
questions.
maximum everything we discussed,
Yeah,
practiced, and
everything, whatever you have covered, that they asked in the interview, and I was able to uh, give the answers so quickly for the questions, and the interviewer was so happy that he was asking me more. Okay, you answered this question, so let's go deep dive, and he used to
mm,
ask me more questions. So I was able to answer everything. He was so happy with the knowledge I have. And then yeah, he covered everything. Switching port also he covered, like VLANs and all he covered, and he asked questions in that one also. Yeah, scenario based questions were there, and all about the whatever we have discussed in the classes, whatever the packet
yeah.
level you have discussed, adjacency process, everything they have asked, sir. So the classes and the labs which I did, that helped me everywhere a lot. So
Yeah, yeah, fantastic. So finally, I know you struggle a lot. So can you share that night shift experience? Everyone want to know.
yes, the last 5.5 years, I completely worked for the night shifts only. It was like rotational, but more I used to work on night shifts only. That was like very odd hours, like 9:30 p.m. to 7 a.m. It was very odd hours. Even then, I didn't give up. Like I didn't wanted to give up in the networking field. I knew that most of the projects will be US, and I need to be ready for all the shifts. I should be dedicated for whatever shift they give. But at one point, at one corner, I had like, even I wanted like morning normal Indian shift, whatever other.
9 to 5.
Yeah, 9 to 5. Whatever my friends used to do, I also wanted that. Finally, like after working whole night shifts for 5.5 years, finally I got a morning shift. That is one of my dream come true, like morning shifts.
So I
Yeah.
think you already resigned, right? How long you were waiting actually after how many days you got a gap after resign to get this job?
Yes, sir. I resigned. I completed my last working day in the end of the August, sir.
Okay.
And from September, I started CCNP also.
Yeah.
After taking up CCNP, I started preparing the resume. Or everyone helped me, and you gave us the points how to add the
Yeah.
devices. Like
Yeah.
you have to highlight the devices, whatever you have worked, like Cisco devices, Juniper, whatever you have. Please add that you have mentioned that and highlighted that. So after highlighting that, that gave the resume a new look, and I got more calls from that, after adding the devices whatever I worked. And after September, I started giving interviews, and I got many calls. I started giving interviews, but the process took very long.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
however, I recently, after joining this one, after accepting the offer, I got a call from Microland. I gave first interview for
Yeah.
Microland.
Mhm.
Yeah, day before yesterday, I got call that you have cleared that one. Do you want to take this opportunity?
Mhm.
Yeah, that also now, after. However, the delayed is delay time took, but however, I'm getting the results. Like
Yeah. Yeah.
whatever I gave interviews, that all came out positive only, sir.
Yeah, I understood. Yeah, fantastic, ma. Congratulations, and once again, and keep in touch with us,
Yeah, sure, sir.
and
I want
always,
to learn the SD-WAN and other whatever you expand, no, sir. I want to be
yeah,
part of
yeah.
TBN
So
forever.
next, yeah. So
Yeah.
the next target is the automation, ma.
Yes,
So
sir.
once you good at core, right, we'll build good skills on automation. Now, I really want to see you in Amazon or Oracle or
Yes.
Meta, okay, because you have such kind of hard work. And I have a one crazy question, ma. Like, a lot of people are asking why girls are getting good packages, why not men? So what is the reason? See, are we favoring girls or like what is that? You
No,
have to
sir.
tell. Yeah.
Yeah, there is no favor at TBN, like girls should be favored or boys should not be favored, like that. You see, really, whoever is trying very hard and putting their 100% efforts here, you will quickly recognize them. Like
Yeah.
whenever the sessions goes on, you will be very engaging. Like you will ask us questions, like you will engage all the students who are the part of the CCNA or CCNP. You will start the session, like you will ask the questions, like whatever we discussed in the previous classes, you will take up that and you will start asking questions. So that will be very interesting, and you will quickly recognize whoever is putting 100% and who is working hard. You will quickly recognize them, and you will start appreciating them. That small appreciations boosts everyone so much that we will start giving our 200%. So there is nothing like favorism here. Whoever has interest and whoever puts their 100%, you will support everyone, not like boys or girls.
Yeah.
Yes,
Not only
now.
me,
Yeah.
IT companies also. So you participated a lot of even in your working environment in networking field, boys are more or girls are more. Like how is the ratio?
Yes, sir. Previously in my batch, when in my Accenture, first I started with Accenture. There it was completely like ratio was like more boys and less girls.
Mm.
Yeah, I feel that girls should come up and they should start. Like they should not be feared. It might be night shift or whatever shift it might be. First, we should enter into that field. First, we should be passionate and we should enter that field. Once we enter the field and we get experience, no sir,
Mm.
based on our knowledge we will get
Yeah,
all kind of opportunities. Now
perfect.
initially I started with a night shift. I didn't look up like, oh, night shift, I should not do that. I entered. First I wanted one opportunity, so I entered whatever it might be. So I entered. After entering that, now after 5.5 years, now the interviewers are ready, like
Mm.
what shift you want, we will give that shift. If
Yeah,
you want night shift, we will give you night shift. You want morning shift, we will give
yeah.
morning shift.
Skill
So
does matter. Yeah.
yes, skill is the main thing here. The interviewer literally told, "I see you worked for night shift. So, what is your thought? You want to work in the night shifts or you want morning shifts?" I said, like, I worked odd hours in the night shift, so I want please morning shift. So he said, "Yeah, we found you very good for this position. You are the good candidate we found. So whatever you feel like you want morning shift, we will give you morning shift." So whatever here is, the skill is the main thing, sir.
Mm.
Once you prove yourself, you will get all the things what you want
Yeah,
by itself.
yeah, yeah. So a lot of my, people are asking recently, if you see, right, almost 80 to 90% are women are getting high packages.
Yes,
There are
sir. Yes.
men as well, but some people do not want to disclose it. Some people want to, yeah, yeah. So outside people, they simply believe what they're seeing, right? So that's what I would like to ask you, and so that a lot of people are
Is
waiting.
not at all favorism of TBN.
Yeah,
They treat everyone equally. They support everyone. Like whoever puts their 100%, they support them. They will build their resume in a good way. They will highlight what are the points we have. They will help us to highlight that one, and they will each and everything. We can see there are a lot of groups of TBN. Like in the placement groups, I see lot of LinkedIn
yeah,
posts
posts.
will be
Yeah,
putting that. We should utilize all the opportunities whatever we get, whichever skills matches to our skill set, then we should start applying those. We should not hesitate or do anything. We get a lot of support from TBN, so
yeah.
we should utilize that and we should
Okay.
be grateful for that, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for your valuable time. And yeah, what you would like to say to your colleagues and peers? You are succeeded person, right? Just final words to them. Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, it initially for the first interview only, no one, I mean, someone will, there will be some candidates who can crack in the first interview only, but someone who will not crack at the first interview only, please don't be disheartened. Like, this is not the end of the world. We
Yeah.
will get lot of opportunities. Like, everyone can't crack in the first interview only. Like,
Yeah.
for example, me only, I didn't able to crack in the first interview only, but whatever I gave the first interview, from that I learned a lot. Like, I started, like, in the first interview they were like scenario based questions. Few questions I was unable to answer. From that I made up the mind, like, okay, this kind of questions will come up. So I started watching the scenario based questions at the TBN, in the TBN YouTube as well,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
other also I referred out, like what are the scenario questions for the network, like who have experience for 5 plus years, what kind of questions it might be. I researched everything. I made the points, like what will be this. From the questions they asked, like I started giving answers myself. Like, okay, this might be the answer. This might be the answer, like that. So we should not be disheartened for the first interview we give. Whatever comes up, like if first one misses, there might be a big plan God has
Yeah.
planned.
Yeah.
So we should think positive in that way, and we should give our 100%. Whatever we do, we have to give our 100%, and for sure success will come if we
Yeah.
give our
Yeah.
100%, sir.
Good things will take time, and
Yes.
and destiny is
And
already
at
written.
the same
Yeah.
time, when I told you, you have encouraged me every time. That you have always told me that God has I mean, big plan for you. So don't be disheartened. whenever the waiting period was long, you every time you have encouraged me, stating that you will get a good one, you will get a good one. Finally, I got a good one. So,
Yeah, that's what, ma. Keep positive and thinking also in a positive way. Yeah, such a wonderful session, and thank you so much. And yeah, when I come to Bangalore, when we open, right, we can meet there and we can have a session with our all our Bangalore people. And yeah, so you joined remotely and you succeeded. See,
yes,
that is what it is. Okay. Thank you so much for your time again, and have a nice day and all the very best. If you need any help right in future, stay connected with us.
sure, sir.
Please feel free to ping us, and yeah, we'll help you. Okay. Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Thank you, ma. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Last but not least, we can upload this into YouTube, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Thank
Have a nice day. Bye, ma. Take care.
Yes, sir. Good day, bye, sir.